Hi, I'm Lidjia, Ramadan Kareem, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making sticky date short ribs. I have these amazing Australian beef short ribs. Look at the marbling in that I'm going to cook low and slow for a few hours until they fall off the bone. I've been living in Dubai for the past 15 years now, and let me tell you, the UAE has some of the most amazing dates that you can ever find. So I'm going to be using those. You are not going to want to miss this recipe.
First, bring the short ribs to room temperature 30 minutes before cooking. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy, we want maximum flavor here. Coat each rib with flour, dusting off the excess. Then sear in a large pan over high heat until golden brown and crusted on each side. Alright, once browned, take out your ribs and saute the onions and garlic until soft. Add the soy sauce, the date syrup, the dates, and my secret ingredient, Arabic coffee. Shh, don't tell anyone. This adds depth and smokiness to the sauce and is the perfect complement to our dates. Next, you're going to add your veal or beef stock and bring to a rolling boil. Add the meat back into the pan and top up with enough water just to cover. Cover your pan with foil or a lid and transfer to the oven and cook low and slow for at least 3 hours or until the meat is super tender and falling off the bone. Your oven does all the work here, so all you need to do is have a little bit of patience.
My short ribs have been braising for 3 hours. The kitchen smells divine. Let's see how tender they are. Wow, wow, wow. I wish you could smell this, honestly.
Remove from the liquid and set aside. Cover the meat with foil to keep warm. Next, strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer and discard any of those gunky bits that are left in the sauce. Put the sauce back into the pan, bring to a boil, and let it reduce by half or until it's as thick and as decadent as melted chocolate. It smells so ridiculously delicious, you're going to want to eat the sauce straight out of the pan, trust me. Meanwhile, make your mashed potatoes by mashing your boiled potatoes, olive oil, lemon, and salt. Mash and fold until fluffy and luxurious. And now we plate. Place the meat on a serving platter and spoon over that rich, decadent sauce. These incredible Australian short ribs are so full of flavor and make such a difference in the quality of the final dish. Serve with the mashed potatoes and, of course, extra sauce on the side.
Sticky date short ribs with the most incredible Australian short ribs that you can find. Mashed potatoes, delicious. Sartén.